Go. Jesus and his disciples got into a boat. They went across the sea, and Jesus took a nap. The waves gently rocked the boat back and forth. Suddenly, a great storm came up. The waves splashed over the boat. Winds whipped around the disciples. The boat is sinking, don't you care?
Wait, you skipped this line.
They woke Jesus up. They shouted, "The boat is sinking, don't you care?" Let me put this back. Jesus asked, "Why are you so afraid? Don't you have any faith at all?" Then Jesus told the storm to stop. Right away, it was calm. The disciples were amazed. They said to each other, "Who is this man? Jesus? Even the wind and the waves obey him."